Hello, this is George Senda, the official, the real, the authentic, the original, the one, the only, the guy from Pittsburgh. And in the skillet is a lot of broccoli that Kathy gave me, carrots and cauliflower and baby carrots and 2 Cornish game hens. So I'm going to cook these in the skillet. And I've had a very bad day with my bronchitis. I have a sinus infection and bronchitis. I will not be here Wednesday. I must go to the doctor in San Francisco. But I'm breathing better. Thank God for the air machine. All right, remember you can join the channel for $3.99 or $6.90 in a month where you see content nowhere else. I'll show you this when the food is done. I hope you're all having a great Sunday and you're staying warm. And I apologize for the gasping of air. The machine breaks up the bronchitis so I can breathe. This is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh. Have a great evening, and I'll catch you next time. Bye-bye for now, and watch the skillet.